What's good, YouTube? R&R Motorsports back at you guys with another one. Today I'm going to be installing side skirt extensions on my E92, as well as painting the brake calipers. So these are the carbon fiber side skirt extensions, and what I like about them is they're already pre-drilled and they came with the hardware. So this is what happens when your car is too low to be jacked up from the front. You just gotta take the whole side skirt off to install the extension. And then the next thing we're doing is the caliper paint. So that's just gonna be sick. So we got Josh lining up the extension right now. Let's take off both side skirts, but they're only held in by a couple bolts at the bottom, as you guys can see all the holes, and then like a couple clips on top. But yeah, it should be a lot easier to get them installed with like better fitment with them off the car.
Oh wow, one like
how many these things look like. Sheesh. Yo, this shit's gonna make my car look sick, bro. Alright, so when you guys are painting your calipers, you're gonna want to get a brush, like a metal wire brush, and kind of clean up all the surface rust. I got some brake cleaner here that I'm using right now, and pretty much I'm just trying to scrub off all the surface rust so the paint sticks better. Pretty much why you do this is so you get a better finish at the end. So yeah, let's keep working. Alright you guys, so the biggest thing when you guys are painting anything on your car is prep. So I got tape and drape over the entire car, as you guys can see. Just gotta cover up this back section over here a little bit better. But pretty much got the whole entire brake tape and draped off, as well as over here and some of the lines in the back. So it'll be a clean job. But yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side for you guys. But yeah, just so you guys know, prep is the most important thing. Alright you guys, now that we got the whole, well, not the whole car, we got the back of the car prepped for paint. What I'm going to start with is this DHT engine enamel primer. And the reason why I'm using this is because it's made for high temperatures and the brakes get really hot on your car. So this is the first coat of primer. We got Josh laying down right now. As you guys can see, it's turning it nice and bright. So for the first coat, you guys definitely want to do like a lighter coat so you guys don't get any runs or anything like that. Alright you guys, so this is what the calipers look like after 2 coats of primer. As you guys can see, it's nice and gray. It'll give us a nice good starting point to apply the green. But yeah, this is what 2 coats of primer looks like. Car's looking crazy. So we're activating the caliper paint right now. It's like different than spray paint. You have to like activate it through the bottom. Well, it's spray paint, but you have to like activate it because it's better quality apparently. And our timer went off. So now we're gonna start with a really, really light coat of lime green. Hopefully it sets this car up nicely. That's just green as fuck.
super green.
And yeah, you guys just want to start off with a light coat, as you guys can see. But damn, this shit is green. Alright you guys, so we got the front of the car masked off now. And pretty much what we're gonna do is spray primer on the front caliper. So enjoy. Alright you guys, so we got the front taped off now. As you guys can see, we got the front caliper with 2 or 3 coats of primer. As you guys can see, the front caliper looks a lot smoother than the back. Just because the front calipers weren't as dirty, they didn't have as much rust or pitting as the rears. So as you guys can see, it's a lot smoother of a look in the front. So the rest of the video is gonna be iPhone clips for you guys because the GoPro ended up dying. But basically the last 2 steps are to put the M high temperature decal onto the caliper. And then after you put the decal on, you're gonna wanna hit it with like 2 to 3 coats of the VHT high temp clear coat that I showed you guys before. And that's pretty much how I got the really crispy results on these calipers. What's it called? If you guys want to make the M decals, pretty much there's templates online. You guys need to buy the high temp vinyl in like black and the M color. And then if you guys have a friend with like a vinyl printer, just get them to print it out for you or invest in a vinyl printer. But yeah, with that being said, this is how it turned out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.